Hi there, my name's Andrew Forth. I'm the Head of Policy and Public Affairs at the RIBA. I'm here to give you a quick update on some of our recent lobbying activity, as well as a bit more information about some of the changes that have been announced to the business support schemes. As you may have seen, the Chancellor recently announced that the furloughing scheme will be extended and made more flexible later this year. We're really pleased about this announcement. Firstly, the extension being really sorely needed because we know that our members are still really struggling and the business climate, while things may be improving in some places, is still really challenging. We're particularly pleased that the Chancellor has listened to ourselves and other organisations and acknowledged that making the scheme more flexible can be a real boost. So starting in the summer, people who have been furloughed in the past will be eligible to be brought back to work on a part-time basis. We think that this flexibility will help keep jobs and capacity and also enable smaller businesses to respond to the needs of their clients, even if they don't have full order books. We've also welcomed the extension of the self-employed income support scheme for those who are company directors or self-employed. It's really good that it's extended, but we do know that a lot of members are still not covered by these schemes. We're lobbying together with other organisations and we'll let you know if anything changes. One of the things that the crisis has highlighted is that we need to look at how we can build a better, stronger economy to make ourselves more resilient in the future. So as part of that, we've been looking at what we can get the government to prioritise going forward. We think that things need to change dramatically, both in terms of what the government spends its money on, how it spends its money, and how it works with architects. So over the coming months, we'll be lobbying the government to keep it the promises that it made during the election campaign, get homes built, particularly in areas where transport investment is being prioritised, get infrastructure in the UK up to international standards, and make sure that all of this is done with a focus on delivering green growth. As part of our discussions, obviously Brexit and the UK's future international trade agreements are a major priority. Looking to the future, there's a real opportunity to improve and change the procurement culture in this country. I know that for many small businesses, access to government contracts could be a real game changer, and at the moment it just isn't available. We'll be looking to lobby the government in their forthcoming procurement green paper to make sure that their commitment to small businesses really does mean commitment to small businesses and not just design and build contracts with a few small businesses able to partake. Quality in the built environment has really suffered in recent years, and that clearly needs to change. We're not saying that this is going to be an easy few months, but the government and the opposition are now really talking about some of the issues that we've been pushing them to talk to for a long time. So we're looking forward to working with them, and we're looking forward to working with you as well. Thanks very much to all of you who filled out the survey. It's been an incredibly valuable source of information about what's going on within the sector, and also particularly on the flexibility of the furlough. Some of the case studies and examples that you provided in the survey were a crucial part that made the difference to make the scheme more flexible. Thank you very much indeed. If you want more information on our policy and public affairs work, drop us an email at public.affairs@riba.org. We also send out a weekly email which summarises key developments and things that we're working on.